Time to collect eggs. It's minus 17 here. Feels like minus 21. Everyone's outside still. What's everyone doing? What's everyone doing? It's so cold out. Any eggs? Let's see what we got. Oh, there goes the rooster. 2. We've got a little fairy egg, which means we have a new layer, which is awesome. We've been getting 1 egg a day. Now we're up to 3. And now with that little new one, we'll have 4 eggs. This is our first year having birds slow down. Last year we had all new layers and everybody laid. But not this year. Slim pickings. You guys want to come out? I don't think you're going to come out here. There's an awful lot of snow. My birds don't really seem to mind the snow. As long as it's not super deep, they'll still come out. We've been pretty lucky we haven't had a whole lot of snow this year, but we just got a massive storm. And they don't seem to really care. They'll still come out when they can.